let's talk about finding the multiplier to give a final amount after a percentage increase or decrease. So if an amount is going to increase, here's a couple things to remember. If an amount is going to increase, let's say we're going to increase by 12%. Our multiplier is going to need to show that we not only have the original amount, but also have the new 12% added on. So the multiplier is going to be 1.12. So 12% is 0.12. The 1 is going to help me keep the original amount. That's for an increase, because when we increase, the original amount stays, plus we have a little additional. If I have a decrease, let's say I decrease by 12%, we're not going to have the full amount in the end. We're going to have less than the original amount. So our multiplier is going to be not 1 point, but it's actually going to be not even the 12% that we're going down, but we want to know how much we have left. So what we're going to do is take 100 minus 12, which gives us 88, right? And so we know that we're going to have 88% left. So we want to talk about how much we have left. It goes down by 12%, but we have 88% left, and so our multiplier is going to be 0.88. So for a decrease, we're going to subtract from 100 and talk about how much we have left. Not the full amount, just a portion of it, but how much we have, not by how much it's going down. That amount will just tell us. We need the other part that equals to 100, right? If we're increasing, we're going to keep our original amount and the new percentage and put that together. So two different things going, increase, decrease. So we'll see a problem like this. A car dealership decreased, so we want to say, decrease the price of a certain car by 11%. So decrease, we're going to have less than the original amount. Here's our original amount. We're going to have less than the original amount, and we need to find out what part of 100 we're actually going to have. So we're going to do 100 minus 11. So that gives us 89% that we're going to have of the value of the car. So we will actually multiply our original price times 0.89 to get the new amount. When we put that number in a calculator, we'll go 0.89 times 31,200, and we'll get a new price. So I'll do that real quick. 0.89 times 31,200. We know that the amount needs to be less than 31,200. I get 27,768. And notice that that is less than the 31,200 because it is 89% of it. We went down by 11%. If they had told me that the price increased by 11%, then I would multiply by 1.11. and then the number would be bigger than 31,000. But in this case, that was not the story. It was actually a decrease. Hope that helped.